Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase internet speed. First, restart your modem and router, and wait 2 minutes before reconnecting devices to reset connections. Next, move your router to a central, elevated spot away from thick walls and microwaves to reduce interference. Then, prioritize important devices with Ethernet or router co-S settings to ensure stable bandwidth for streaming and remote work without interruptions. In this video, I will show how to increase internet speed. Open your router settings and switch to the 5 GHz band for faster local speeds and less congestion. Scan for crowded channels and pick a quieter channel to reduce interference from nearby networks. Turn on quality of service or device prioritization so critical devices get bandwidth first, and check for firmware updates to keep performance and security optimized. In this video, I will review how to increase internet speed. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleaning that frees up time to tweak your network and enjoy voice control and clever mapping. It ties in because less clutter near routers often improves signals, and it's genuinely neat to automate chores while you optimize tech. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help increase internet speed. Consider upgrading to a modern router that supports Wi-Fi 6 or using a mesh system if your home has dead zones. Run speed tests from different rooms to find weak spots and add wired access points where possible. Also, schedule large uploads and cloud backups for off-peak hours and monitor connected devices to prevent a single device from hogging your plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.